100 years ago, my great-grandfather bought a junkyard in Indiana. And ever since then, my family has been bringing things back to life. When somebody else has given up on it, when nobody thinks it will run, and I get to turn that key and hear it fire up for the first time, I love it. It's in my family, it's in my blood. For 100 years, we've been firing them up. Well, this is just a real quick one. I met some Bronco people. Actually, a guy brought me this Bronco poster right up here recently, and he had seen my Bronco and he asked me if I knew of that Bronco, and then he started talking about some Bronco people that live here locally, so we went and checked out their truck, asked him if it's for sale. It's not for sale, but they did let us get a little bit of footage. Hopefully we'll get an interview with the owner pretty soon. So subscribe to Fire Up Garage so you can see that interview later on, and all of our other great Bronco videos, and like this video, like our page. It helps us grow, and you're awesome. Thanks for being here. Check out this Bronco that is still just hanging out, waiting for somebody to come and fire it up.